Hello, good morning!
Hello, Jologs! So, hey guys, welcome to our channel. And today, September 8, it's my birthday. We are going
Happy
to
birthday!
Stonehill to eat. Tapos, after that, pupunta kami ng SM. Because as you can see, medyo formal-formalan kami. Because magpapapicture kami for our visa application. And apologies for the background noise kasi ginagawa tayong kapitbahay.
Ginagawa ang kapitbahay.
So, yun. And later for this vlog, we will also do the packing for our Brunei and Malaysia trip. Kasi we're scheduled to fly 4 days.
Thursday.
Yes, 4 days. On Thursday, going to Brunei and Malaysia for my birthday trip. And hopefully ma-approve din yung Korea namin na visa. Kasi may ticket na kami, sayang din kapag
pag hindi na-approve, di-delete ang vlog.
So please pray for us for the approval of our Korean visa. So that's it. See you sa
We will have a vlog on how to apply for Korean visa.
Yes, watch out for that.
Yes.
Hinintay lang namin na ma-approve so that tuloy-tuloy yung process. Kasi pangit naman to Arnel kami hindi na-approve. So that's it for now. See you sa Stonehill for our mukbang.
So as you can see guys, ready na ang ipapack later. So ito mga pinamili namin. Tapos ang luggage andyan na, nakalabas na. So we'll just do that later after our dinner. We're here guys, Stonehill Suites. Oh. It's really nice. Wow. This is my first time here. Go close. So guys, we're here in the Sky Deck, Sky Bar, VIP Lounge, Restaurant. It's really nice here. Wait, parang may smudge.
Yeah.
Buffet nisa? Is it buffet? Ah, so ito yung choices. What?
Guys, look at the restaurant. This is very nice. First time ko dito kahit matagal na ito nag-open. Very perfect. Very cool.
So guys, order is complete. So we ordered beef stroganoff, cucumber lemonade, tapos yung calamari, and kansi sisig. There. That's it. That's it.
and we're going to SM to have our picture taken for our Korean visa.
So we're finally here, SM City, Bacolod. We're finally back home. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog earlier dahil we're tired. So we got our photo. Ito na siya. Ayan, ito siya. Bawal mag-smile. So ito ang itsura namin. Ayan. Since hindi pwedeng mag-smile. So this is the size for the Korean visa application. There. And then marami pang kaming gagawin. Magpapack pa kami. And what else? So guys, we're now packing our things. So eto. Yung mga damit na gagamitin, and we have some laundry pouch here, and of course ang passport andito na, and then very important yung mga chargers. So we have this Omni charger or adapter para sa kahit anong bansa ka pa pumunta, kahit iba yung kanilang outlet, then pwede ka pa rin mag-charge. It's really nice. Yan, and then these are the Kikoy kit. Kikoy kit ne?
Okay, so this is good. Travel toothbrush, toothpaste, betadine, white flour for Kiko, Band-Aid. Salon pass is a must because di ba when you travel, keep on walking. So may mga muscle pain hindi naiwasan. So salon pass for every night. And then, syempre yung mga gamot, loperamide, because every time you traveled outside of the country, di mo alam kung ano yung ingredients ng food, if it's hiyang ba sa'yo or not. So, loperamide, Alaxan, Bioflu, lahat for lagnat, etc. So, also, nagdadala kami ng body wash, sunscreen. This one is contact solution, konti na dadagdagan na lang. And then, aloe vera for moisturizing na lang. And then, alcohol. Innisfree for picture perfect
skin. Is that the BB cream?
Yes. It's green tea BB cream from Innisfree. And then, cool fever because you'll never know. Baka lagnitin sa biyahe. And kulang pa to actually. Meron pa, magdadala pa kami ng face mask as well. Kasi when you travel, yung airplane pa lang is magiging dry na yung skin mo. So, face mask is also a must. And then, ito yung mga shades namin, eyeglasses. For the...
Ang eyeglass, ano ko gali ha?
And of course, yung contacts, etc. Ito yung eyeglasses.
Ito yung binili namin kahapon.
Different, kasi dapat everyday, iba-iba din yung eyeglasses mo.
Sunglasses. From Sunny's. There, at nag-aaway ang dalawang aso sa labas.
So basically lahat, ito na siya, pero kulang pa to kasi yung ibang damit namin nasa laundry pa, hindi pa siya nakuha kasi busy kami kanina. So ito lang, gumagamit pa kami ng travel pouch para neat tingnan yung damit. So, ito.
Yes, that's mine.
Ganun siya. Ito naman yung akin. So wala pa kaming undies kasi nga hindi pa tapos. And also we mentioned last weekend we visited yung money changer nagpa-change na kami ng money.
It's not there.
Ay.
Tinago ko.
Okay, so siya yung treasurer. So what we did is same amount kami. So if ever magkulang, siguro doon na lang kami mag-withdraw kasi nagawa din ata namin yan before sa Singapore na sa airport na kami nag-withdraw. And then, yun lang. Anything else?
That's it. So to cap the day, we will be using this facial mask from the Face Shop. 5 by 5 plus 5. So it's really sulit. It's 8:45, so just in time bago matulog. Bulaga! Okay. So that's it for today's vlog.
So that's it for today's vlog and hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to click subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will be informed every time we upload new videos.
Okay. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.